Alright, we have the rest of the body parts also back from the media blaster, and this will require us to do the body work as well. It came out in great shape. When you media blast something, it comes out to be this gray, and you can see that everything is very much in the gray. We did a little bit of steel work to the front of the lip of this fuel tank cover, and it gives us this nice crisp, clean mounting point that will mount to the floor on that flange. We also have the doors, which are in pretty spectacular condition. You don't find doors like this every day for an FJ40. They are really solid at the bottom, really little to no fabrication there. And I walk over here and show you this other front door as well. It too is in excellent condition. You can see that the drains are right there and very distinct. So I don't think there'll be any fabrication. Right into bodywork she goes, and headed towards primer.